Hey guys, welcome back to another video of The Guy Without a Plan. And today, after getting so many emotional threats from my parents back home because I was going out a lot during this COVID time, I have decided to stay in. And if you have seen the thumbnail as well as the title of this video, you would know that I have spent a lot on this video. So before we move on, just click the like button and subscribe to my channel. So have you done it yet? Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so here we go.
I'll be a better man today. I'll be good.
So these packages I received on Monday, and I had full week of classes, so I could not do this unbox. And I'm glad that I could patiently wait for that long. So it's a new thing for me. So I have two packages here. This one is the Osmo Action bundle because it comes with extra batteries, and this one is accessories. We'll come to this later. Let's start with this one. And I also ordered a 128 gigs memory card as well for this camera, and this is the bundle.
I'll be good. And I'll love the world like I should. Yeah, I'll be good.
So here is the bundle, guys, and
I'll be good.
sorry for not having the right tools for unboxing because I don't do this very often. And first let's check this one out. This is the bundle I was talking about. If you can read this, this is an Osmo Action charging kit, and it is saying here that before using it, at least charge it for 5 minutes. 3 battery slots are there, but this has 2 batteries because the other battery, it always comes with the action camera. So that's how you get 3 1.
All of the time that I never.
So I guess these are the case. You can see they have batteries. So each battery comes with a case, another battery, and what else do we have? And I guess this is the hub. Let me open it and show it to you.
Change of the world, let's unpearl through the haters, twist the curls, yeah,
So you can
this is what we need in order to exchange for the range, that's the ranged values that are
the
strict.
battery you can place like this into the hub, and then all you need to do is connect it here. It's a USB-C type 1. So you can connect the charger here and then charge your batteries. We'll do that later. Let's keep that aside as well. Also has a big booklet.
Change first, love oneself, grow physically.
I'm not going to read this, so let's keep that aside as well. And here it comes.
Flow mentally, grow spiritually. The key is to love one another, to forget the enemy.
So here is the action camera. It's dual screen, 4K HDR,
And make friends for destiny.
waterproof and rock steady. So it works with iMovie and Final Cut Pro. I have none of these.
Yeah, clear up the vision and see past the
And here comes it.
rest the blur to create unity and release the spirit free.
So this is the action camera. It's quite heavy. I thought it would be lighter, but it's in its protective case. And check this sound. So it has big round camera. How do I get it out of the frame?
Succeed, set a great goal. A vision without action is merely just a
Right now it doesn't have a battery. So this is the action camera, guys. You can see it has dual screens, and I need to put the battery.
dream that's waiting to unfold. The world
This is a big screen. It's a small camera because I'm used to my phone. And along with this was the protective case it came in. Let's keep this here and keep this on the sides, and hopefully I guess this would be the battery.
must change, gotta stick to the plan
So this is another protective case for the battery, and along with this you get
and the range. Yeah, handshakes, hug.
2 mounts. So this mount is for some curved surface. You can check this, and this one is for a flat surface, this mount. And along with that, I guess this would be the charging cable. Yeah, this is the charging cable, and this is the screw for these mounts.
Hugs and kisses must exchange, get rid of the
And it has better hold here because of this. I can easily open and close this thing, so which is good. let's try and see if this powers up.
Let go of the beat, man, this is our fate, and together we'll be great.
I'll be a better man.
Here there is no orange part showing, and here there is no orange part showing. So the battery is logged in. So it has dual screens. It has 12 megapixel camera which can do a shooting for 4K at 60 frames per second. And then you have this vent in the front of the camera. They have made it like part of their design itself, because when they do recording at 4K, a lot of heat is produced, so that's better. And then camera can do shooting at 4K, but I don't have a laptop which can render 4K videos. And then we have one external mic here, another external mic here. I guess these are the speakers, and this is the recording button. Let's start it on. Yeah, it's working. I have to set it up.
And today I'll be
So this is touch screen, which is very good, and it's a very reactive screen as well. I don't feel like I am forcing this thing. It's smooth and everything.
good. I'll be good.
Right now you can see it is showing 4K at 30. See, I can switch modes, HDR, slow-mo, and then I can do custom modes as well. I can create a time lapse, and here it is showing no SD card. I'll add the SD card later, I guess. I think this is the battery. Now the recent updates that they have made, you can easily switch between the front, the back and the front. The video won't stop while you are shooting, so you can do that while you are shooting. Let me add the memory card to this as well. So finally I managed to open this one out, and what I had to do was to push this button and slide it out. I still have to get used to this. And here you can see there is a space. Okay, so this is for the charging part, and this is for the memory card, the one below. Let's add our memory card. So I just got a sound, that means it picked it up. Okay, so very quickly let me tell you why I chose DJI Osmo over GoPro, because many of you would be saying that the GoPro is better, but for me, I bought this camera because I wanted to do vlogging, because I am finding it hard to do that using my phone. And in GoPro, I'm not talking about GoPro 9, which I know is coming up with the front up camera, but this one offers the same specs as GoPro 8 or 7, and it has a front camera which will allow me to see that what am I doing. And then I'm already using Gimbal 3 by DJI, and I like the quality of the brand, so that's why I thought like it would be also better. And this is pretty heavy, like it looks like a sturdy design as well now that I'm holding this. And with this circular camera setup, I've seen several videos which show that I can use it with a lot of lenses, magnetic ones, screw ones, so which doesn't happen with the square camera setup that the GoPro has. And then it is a real value for money as well, because GoPro was much expensive. I didn't get extra batteries and all those things, and even the accessories I got, they are good price for Osmo Action, so that's why I chose this, but then it's just my choice. Okay, so enough of this camera, let's talk about the accessories now. Okay, so wow, there's another box inside. Let me throw this away. This brand is Huacity. I don't know, this would be another Chinese brand or something, but then you won't find a branded accessory set from DJI, so I don't think so anybody has a choice on that part. Okay, wow, this is a mess. This seems like a hand one. A lot of mounts, another protective case which is not that good quality. If you see this one, it feels like a better quality which comes by DJI, but this one is pretty cheap. So there are a lot of accessories. There are 51. If I start covering them, it is going to take very long, and I still have to figure these things out because I have very little knowledge what they are. And let's see what's inside the case. So this, I guess this is the chest strap, and there's another case which is waterproof case. So because the box here says that it is 11 meter waterproof till 11 meter, but this one will make it completely waterproof. And this case, then I can use it for my camera as well, removing a little bit of stuff here and there like this and all those things. So yeah, here I can fit up the batteries.
the world like a
So this case is good. Yes, and I can get some charging cables or something. So yeah, so that's all for the accessories as well.
Yeah, I'll be good for all of the time that I never could.
So now I have set this Osmo Action up. I have updated the firmware and everything. Now the thing I want to check is the Rocksteady mode and the quality of the video as well as the quality of the microphone. So that means the audio. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go out, take a run around my hostel and then check it out and share with you guys, and you guys can then let me know in the comment section if the audio is good.
Starts now, swear I'll be a better man all day, every day, starting this very day, just allow it.
This shot that I am taking, I'm walking and this thing is in my hand, and I don't think so I've even switched off the Rocksteady mode yet, but it is still much steadier than usually I get from my phone if I'm holding it in my hand. Now you can check few shots that I am taking from this Osmo Action.
Allow it, and somehow you doubt it. Shoulda, coulda, woulda, and I stood for the good of my brother in the hood. Only fear God, not the devil's fraud. With the love that he gives all the way from above. Remove all the distance, improve the assistance, transform the persistence, and prove my existence.
Guys, I have taken few shots, added the audio as well, and this audio is also I'm recording on the Osmo Action. So let me know if the mic is good enough, because then I would have to change my external mic which I've been using with my phone. And that's all for today, guys. I hope you are well and you're following the social distancing norms wherever you are. And if you like this video, do not forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, because anyway it's free. I'm not going to charge you anything, and then if you subscribe you'll get the notification. You can watch it whenever you want. So I'll see you in the next one.
Keep myself on track, keep my head up, staying strong. Always moving on, feel I don't belong. Tell my thoughts to move along, push myself to be the best. Die with no regrets, live with every breath. See my message start to spread, and I had so many dreams. Then you hit your teens, life ain't really what it seems. Try to find out what it means.